Dudes, it's WROL, the Great Blizzard. It's here. Let's go have a look and see if there's riots in the streets. I don't see any rioters. Okay, so I'm just fucking with you. Howdy folks, Tex Grebner here with Tex Grebner Outdoors. And yes, it is the Great Blizzard of 2011. As you see here, we've got the generator ready in case we get some ice. So yeah, long story short, I'm real fucking worried about this blizzard. Right now I'm holding down the home place here. My dad's out to the farm looking after the stock. So anyways, this is Tex Grebner Outdoors, bringing you live, so to speak, from the Great Blizzard of 2011. This weather really sucks, but I'm sure we'll get through it. We've seen worse. So, I will keep you posted as things move on. Hopefully, we survive. So, as always, God bless all my Ted Nugent blood brothers and sportsmen of America. Join the NRA to protect our rights. Please check out my friends over at legallyconcealed.org. Thank you very much to those of you involved in law enforcement and those of you serving in the military. And thanks for watching Tex Grebner Outdoors.